Hi, my name is Russ, and I want to show you this panel that I built and how I built it. Uh, but first, I want to demonstrate what it does. Um, let's say you're having a party and you're playing MP3s on your big screen, and you're using Winamp. Um, I like Winamp because it has beautiful visuals, um, and now I can control it by I can fast forward by tapping the forward and or reverse buttons. I can pick the next visual by tapping the next button on the this next button here, or I can even pick specific visuals like this one or that one. And notice this I don't know, this console here, this VJ mode console does something when I pick one of the different visuals. Let me show you what that is and how you enable that a second. I got to turn off the visuals for a second, and then you go into configure and pick VJ mode. That's this. And the reason to do that is you'd you generally want your big screen to not flash those that text, and so you can, if you use this VJ mode, that text flashes on this window, which could be on your laptop instead of the big screen. And then, okay, what else can I do? I can switch between my personal list of presets or all presets. I can show the song title like this. I can turn up the volume, but let's not do that because this song's not very good. This song is something I made when I was a kid, but I own it, so I can put it on my video. Here, I'll pause this. But let me show you quickly the scripts. Basically, forward and reverse is just basically pressing the right button on the keyboard or the left button. The next preset is basically space or backspace for the previous one. Preset folder is a big series of I guess TRIGGErcmd commands to press buttons in a sequence. This %1 here for the preset basically goes, it presses the L button to launch. Here, let me show you. Let's see if I press L. Well, I won't demonstrate. This does it though, trust me. But basically the letter A through H gets passed to this script because, let's see, this is my command, and I've got parameters enabled. So, oh, sorry, let me explain too. This is, oh, by the way too, if you've got guests that want to also control it, you can just give them this QR code and they can scan it, and then they'll get they'll get this panel on their phone. But what I was going to show you is, let's see, how I've set up the panel. So here are the buttons. This is how you define them. Like you edit this, and then you can, these are all the these options here. You just put a comma between them, and here's where you select the specific trigger on this computer, the DS computer. Hold on, let me go back to it. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you how you can edit the JSON. So I put this in all this text in this forum post, so you don't have to type it yourself. It's got the scripts and the what do you call it, the JSON for the commands, and it has the JSON for the panel that you can paste in here. So yeah, it's got everything you need to do this if you'd like. Oh, and I gotta explain how the what do you call it, the one that selects your preset, not that one, this one, how this works. Basically, it brings up the preset list, and then it presses a letter like A, and then it presses enter and then escapes out of that menu. And the reason that works is I've got all these presets that are just in my presets folder called Russ, and I've got A through H, right? That they start with those letters A through H, and that's how it works. You just press A and then it jumps to the letter, the first one, and press E and it jumps to the one that starts with E, and then it jumps to that and then it presses enter to select it and then it escapes out of the menu. So hopefully that's clear, but ask questions on the forum if it's not. Thanks for watching.